Doing business in New Mexico? You'll need a registered agent. But what exactly is that? A registered agent is someone who accepts important legal documents on behalf of your corporation or LLC. This can be anything from documents from the Secretary of State to notices of lawsuits. Now, why is having a registered agent so important? Well, they help keep your business in good standing by ensuring you never miss a critical document. Plus, they'll send you reminders to help you avoid any late fees. Here at legalregistration.com, we offer instant registered agent services. Our team is ready to help you stay compliant and stress-free. Whether you're operating in New Mexico or planning to expand, we provide registered agent services in all 50 states and Washington, D.C. Thinking about expanding your business? Need more information or want to grab some discounts? Visit our website at legalregistration.com. And remember, if you've got any questions, give us a call at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Check out our latest videos for top-notch business help